Alright, in this lesson we're going to look at finding the equation of a line given the slope and another point. And the first thing that we need to remind ourselves of is the general equation of a line, which is y equals mx plus b. M is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So when we look at an equation like this, we're given slope is 3, and here's a point 5, 2 that the line also goes through. So we start with our equation y equals mx plus b. The slope is 3. The slope is m. So we're going to put the 3 in for m. 5, 2, that's an xy point, it's coordinate. So we want to plug the 5 in for x and the 2 in for y. So we do all of that and we get 2 equals 3 times 5 plus b. We don't know what that b value is. We're going to solve for that. So we multiply 3 times 5 and we get 15. We subtract 15 from each side. 2 minus 15 is negative 13. b equals negative 13. We're ready to write our equation now. When we write our equation, we need to know two things. We need to know the slope and we need to know the y-intercept. Our slope we were given, that's 3. So we plug 3 in for m. Our y-intercept is our b value, that's negative 13. So we end with negative 13. We plug that into our equation for b. So our answer is y equals 3x minus 13. Here we have a slope of negative 3/4 and a point 8, negative 1. Again, we want to use the equation y equals mx plus b. We're going to plug negative 1 in for y. Negative 3/4 is our slope, so that goes in for m. And 8 is our x value, so that goes in for x. And remember, we're going to solve for b. Negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. Divided by 4 is negative 6. So we have negative 1 equals negative 6 plus b. To get rid of the negative 6, we have to add 6 to each side. Negative 1 plus 6 is 5. So our b value is 5. We write our equation by taking our slope and plugging it in for m, and our b value and plugging it in for b. So y equals negative 3/4 times x plus 5. So to wrap this lesson up, y equals mx plus b, equation of a line. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. To find the equation of a line, if you're given the slope and another point, plug the slope in for m, plug the point in for x and y, solve for b. Once you have your answer, plug your slope and your b value, your y-intercept, back into the general equation, and you have your answer.